the unique thing about this is the 3-layer is the weight of a traditional 2-layer thermal liner, but you have on one spun lace, you have 0.9 ounce, 0.9 ounce, and in the middle, you have 1.5 ounce of spun lace. So 3 layers of spun lace, but the one in the middle is full of aperture, it's full of holes. So why do we do that? Well, after this is washed, this thing will loft up, gives us added thermal protection, but it also enhances, increases the ability to wick moisture. So if we were to, if anybody has any water here, we've all seen the water test, but if we just put a little bit of water on here to simulate perspiration, that little bit of water will continue to fan out. And like I said, the added lofting gives us greater thermal protection. If I stood here and talked for 2 more minutes, this thing would wick completely out. So it's gonna dry faster, it's gonna help us with heat stress, and give us added thermal protection with those extra layers. So we went thinner and thicker. As far as the sled friction test goes, you basically take look how that's already on, or fanning out. So you basically take on a sled friction test, you have the face cloth, and you match it down with another face cloth, and it's the amount of friction that it takes to pull those across each other. And this performs very well with that test. So we're simulating donning and doffing of that gear that a firefighter will go through day in and day out as they wear this over many years. Yes?
With it being thicker, will that change our patterns to make the gear feel smaller?
No.
If you use the exact same pattern?
You can see 0.9 ounce, it's lighter weight, so you see the comparison of
Just when you were saying it was gonna bubble,
7
like when it was gonna.
Yeah, but you see how thin that 0.9 ounce is. I mean, it's razor thin. You can't even hardly see it. I don't even have my glasses on.
No,
there it
I
is.
see what you're saying.
That's what you're. Now the 2-layer option. Somebody asked me if we had a sample. We don't. But the only difference between 3-layer and 2-layer is you pull this last piece of spun lace off. So then you're with 0.9 ounce, 1.5 ounce with aperture. That's the 2-layer.
And to be clear, 2-layer and 3-layer is only talking about the spun lace non-woven, not the outer layer. That confused me when I first started. So that's actually a 4-layer piece of fabric you have there, but the number of layers is talking about the non-woven.
Just because I'm from Kentucky doesn't mean I can't count.
Yeah.